Ever felt like your calendar was a chaotic battlefield? Appointments scribbled on sticky notes, double bookings causing mini heart attacks, and the constant back and forth with clients trying to find a time that works? If that sounds even remotely familiar, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a tool that promises to bring peace and order to that scheduling mayhem. Acuity Scheduling. But the million-dollar question, the one that's probably brought you here today, is Acuity Scheduling actually worth it? In a world overflowing with software solutions for every imaginable business need, it's easy to get lost in the noise. You're probably weighing your options, comparing features, and trying to figure out if yet another subscription fee is going to be a game changer or just another drain on your resources. Well, buckle up because we're about to put Acuity Scheduling under the microscope. We'll explore its core functionalities, dissect its pros and cons, and ultimately help you decide if it deserves a spot in your business toolkit. Think about the sheer amount of time you or your team currently spend on scheduling-related tasks. Answering emails, playing phone tag, manually updating calendars, it all adds up. What if you could reclaim those precious hours and focus on the core aspects of your business, the things that truly drive growth and bring you joy? That's the promise of automated scheduling tools like Acuity. Acuity Scheduling, now part of Squarespace, positions itself as an all-in-one solution for managing appointments, client communication, and even payments. It caters to a wide range of businesses, from solo entrepreneurs to larger teams, offering features designed to streamline the scheduling process for both you and your clients. So, what exactly does Acuity bring to the table? Let's break down some of its key features. Effortless online booking. This is the heart of Acuity. It allows your clients to view your availability in real time and book appointments themselves through a customizable booking page. Imagine no more endless email threads trying to coordinate schedules. Your clients can see what slots are open and choose a time that suits them 24/7. This not only saves you time but also provides a convenient and professional experience for your clients. Customizable appointment types. Whether you offer 15-minute consultations, hour-long sessions, or multi-day workshops, Acuity lets you define different appointment types with varying durations, prices, and intake forms. This flexibility ensures that your booking system accurately reflects the services you offer. Automated reminders and notifications. No-shows are a frustrating reality for many businesses. Acuity helps minimize these by sending automated email and SMS reminders to both you and your clients before their appointments. You can customize the timing and content of these notifications, ensuring everyone stays on track. Calendar integration. Acuity seamlessly integrates with popular calendar platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and iCloud Calendar. This two-way synchronization means that your Acuity schedule is always up to date with your personal or professional commitments, preventing double bookings and keeping everything organized in one place. Payment processing. Getting paid is crucial, and Acuity simplifies this process by integrating with payment gateways like Stripe, Square, and PayPal. You can require clients to pay at the time of booking, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. Intake forms and questionnaires. Need to gather specific information from your clients before their appointment? Acuity allows you to create custom intake forms and questionnaires that clients can fill out during the booking process. This saves time during the actual appointment and helps you prepare effectively. Client management. Acuity keeps a record of your clients, their appointment history, and any notes you've added. This centralized client database can be invaluable for building relationships and understanding your customer base. Reporting and analytics. Gain insights into your business with Acuity's reporting features. Track appointment volume, revenue, and popular appointment types to make data-driven decisions and optimize your scheduling strategy. Customization and branding. While Acuity is a third-party platform, it offers various customization options to align the booking page with your brand. You can add your logo, choose colors, and personalize the messaging to create a seamless brand experience for your clients. Now, while Acuity boasts a robust set of features, it's essential to consider if it truly delivers on its promises and if it's the right fit for your specific needs. Let's weigh the potential benefits against some potential drawbacks. The worth it factor, the pros of Acuity scheduling. Significant time savings. This is arguably the biggest advantage. Automating the scheduling process frees up countless hours that can be better spent on client work, business development, or even just taking a well-deserved break. Reduced no-shows. Automated reminders are a game-changer in minimizing missed appointments, directly impacting your revenue and efficiency. Improved client experience. Offering a convenient and professional online booking system enhances your client's experience, making it easy for them to schedule and manage their appointments. Enhanced organization. Centralizing your schedule, client information, and payment processing in one platform brings much-needed order to your business operations. Increased revenue potential. By making it easier for clients to book and by reducing no-shows, Acuity can contribute to increased revenue for your business. Scalability. Acuity offers different pricing tiers to accommodate businesses of various sizes, making it a scalable solution as your business grows. Integration with other tools. Its ability to integrate with other essential business tools like calendars, payment processors, and even marketing platforms extends its functionality and streamlines workflows. The other side of the coin, potential cons of Acuity scheduling. Subscription costs. Like most SaaS platforms, Acuity involves a recurring subscription fee. While the value it provides may outweigh the cost, it's still an expense to consider, especially for very small businesses or those just starting out. Learning curve. While generally user-friendly, there might be a slight learning curve involved in setting up and customizing all the features to your specific needs. Reliance on internet connectivity. As an online platform, Acuity requires a stable internet connection to function. This might be a concern in areas with unreliable internet access. Limited advanced customization on lower tiers. Some advanced customization options and features are only available on higher-priced plans, which might be a limitation for businesses on a tight budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.